Hi guys, welcome to Patrick Pan channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to routing in NextJS using app router. Okay, so first we have to create a project. So let's open your terminal and then I'm gonna cd to desktop and using this command to create your NextJS project npx create dash next dash app add latest and your project name. So I'm gonna use next routing and hit enter. Select no to TypeScript and yes to ESLint and yes to Tailwind CSS and yes to src directory and yes to app router and no. Okay, and just wait a second. Alright, after success, then let's go to our NextJS project. So we're gonna cd to next routing and I'm gonna open this project in VS Code by using this command code space dot and hit enter and then go to view and terminal. So we're gonna start our project using npm run dev and then go to this URL. Okay, so let's go back to VS Code and go to src folder and go to globals.css. I'm gonna get rid of this code here, hit save and close it and close this file, and then I'm gonna rename this file to page.jsx and I'm gonna get rid of this code here and get rid of this class. Okay, so when you want to create routes using app router, it's actually pretty simple. Let's say you want to create about page, you just create a new folder inside app folder. Okay, so create new folder called about and then inside this folder just create a new file called page.jsx. This is important. You can't use another file name. Okay, if you use another file name that is not page, you will getting 404 error. So remember that you just have to use page. Okay, and then inside this file let's create a component and rename it to about page. So inside this component I'm gonna create h3 tag and type about page and then create a p tag and give it some text here. Okay, so let's go back to page.jsx and I'm gonna import a link component because I want to navigate to this about page. So we're gonna use this link component and I'm gonna create a ul li and using the link component here and this menu link I'm gonna type about. Okay, and I'm gonna navigate to /about, which is this page or this route. Okay, and if you go back to Chrome, as you guys can see here, we have one link about. So if you click on this link, as you guys can see, we're gonna go to this about page and /about. Okay, and if you want to go back, so let's go to about page or this about component and I'm gonna create a go back to index button. Okay, so let's import link component from next/link and call it below this. Okay, so I'm gonna navigate to index page, so we will give it a / which is an index page. Okay, and I'm gonna type go back. So let's give it some styling. So I'm gonna use bg gray 500 text white and inline flex, justify center and items center. Okay, so as you guys can see here, we have our button and give it some padding and border radius routed MD. Alright, cool. So you can click on this button, go back, and we will go back to our index page. Okay, so as you guys can see here, it's actually simple. So if you want to create another page, you can create a new folder inside app folder and let's say I want to create a blog page, and inside this blog folder I'm gonna create page.jsx. Okay, and let's create a component and rename it to blog page. Okay, so let me copy this code and paste it inside this component and change this to blog. Okay, and then go back to page.jsx. So I'm gonna create another link, and I want to navigate to blog. Okay, like this, and go back to Chrome, and let's try to click on this link. So as you guys can see here, we go to blog page, but inside this blog I forgot to hit save. Okay, we forgot to import link component from next link. Okay, cool. As you guys can see here, we can navigate to about and blog. And then next, if you want to create a nested route, you can do it by create another folder inside this folder. So inside this folder, you just create another folder called, let's say, team, and then inside this folder create a file page.jsx. Okay, and then I'm gonna copy this code and paste inside this file and change this component name to team page. Okay, I'm gonna change this to team page and give it more information like this. Okay, and go back to about page. I'm gonna create another button that navigate to this route. Okay, you can just doing this by using /about and /team. Okay, so this button, it will navigate to team page. Okay, so I'm gonna change this to go to team page, and then change the background to blue. Okay, so let's go back and go to about page. As you guys can see here, we have a go to team page button, and then when we click, we're gonna go to this route. Okay, /about/team. Cool. So this is how you can create a nested route in NextJS, and it's pretty simple, as you guys can see here. I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and hope you learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys soon in the next video.